Welcome to our ultimate guide on the best car interior cleaners. Whether you are a meticulous car enthusiast or just want to keep your white pristine, this video is a go-to resource. From tackling stubborn stains to restoring the showroom shine, we have handpicked top-rated products that promise to leave your car looking and smelling brand new. Get ready to discover the ultimate solution for maintaining your vehicle's interior brilliance. At the first position of our list, we have Armor All Protectant Glass and Cleaning Wipes. Engineered for automotive enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike, these wipes offer a convenient and effective solution for maintaining your vehicle's pristine condition. Crafted with a specially formulated protectant, these wipes not only clean but also shield your car's interior surfaces from harmful UV rays, preventing fading, cracking, and discoloration. Designed for versatility, they effortlessly tackle dirt, grime, and fingerprints on various surfaces, including dashboards, door panels, and glass. Experience the power of Armor All's advanced cleaning technology, leaving behind streak-free, crystal-clear windows and a rejuvenated interior with every wipe. Plus, their durable design ensures longevity, providing lasting protection and shine for your vehicle's interior. Forget about messy sprays and cumbersome cleaning tools. These wipes offer a hassle-free solution at an affordable price point. Say goodbye to cluttered car interiors and hello to a showroom-worthy finish with Armor All Protectant, Glass and Cleaning Wipes, the ultimate choice for automotive care enthusiasts. At number 2, we have Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit, the ultimate solution for car enthusiasts seeking professional-grade detailing results at home. This comprehensive kit is meticulously designed to cover all bases, offering everything you need to achieve a showroom-worthy finish. From exterior to interior, Meguiar's kit includes top-quality products specifically formulated for each surface. The advanced cleaning agents effortlessly lift dirt and grime, while the premium microfiber towels ensure a streak-free shine without scratching delicate surfaces. Experience the ultimate in versatility with this kit, which features products for paint correction, polishing, waxing, and interior cleaning. No corner goes untouched with Meguiar's precision-engineered tools and formulas, ensuring a true and effective detailing experience. Crafted with durability in mind, Meguiar's products are trusted by professionals and enthusiasts worldwide for their long-lasting performance. Whether you are tackling a quick touch-up or a full detailing session, this kit delivers consistent results time after time. Invest in Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit today and unleash the true potential of your vehicle's appearance. With its unparalleled performance and affordability, it's the ultimate choice for anyone passionate about preserving and enhancing their car's beauty. Next up at number 3, we have the Rainx 53760 Hybrid Solutions Pro All-Wheel Cleaner and Iron Remover, the ultimate solution for achieving showroom-worthy wheels with ease. Engineered with cutting-edge technology, this cleaner effectively removes stubborn brake dust, iron particles, and road grime, restoring your wheel's pristine shine. The innovative formula clings to the surface, allowing for deep penetration and effortless cleaning. Say goodbye to scrubbing and hello to sparkling results with minimal effort. Plus, its pH-balanced formulation ensures safe use on all wheel types, including alloy, chrome, and painted surfaces. Designed for convenience, this wheel cleaner features a spray-on application for quick and easy use. Simply spray, let it dwell, and watch the powerful formula breaks down contaminants for a spotless finish. Turtle Wax's commitment to quality ensures that this cleaner is not only highly effective but also durable, providing long-lasting protection against future buildup. Experience professional-grade results without the hefty price tag, making it the perfect choice for both car enthusiasts and everyday drivers. Invest in Rainx 53760 Hybrid Solutions Pro All-Wheel Cleaner and Iron Remover today and enjoy wheels that look as good as new every time. The number 4 position is held by Chemical Guy's SPI 22016 Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Engineered with precision and passion, this all-in-one solution is designed to tackle dirt, stains, and grime while providing long-lasting protection against UV damage and fading. The advanced formula is gentle yet effective, making it safe for use on a variety of interior surfaces including plastics, vinyl, rubber, and leather. Whether you are dealing with spills, dust, or fingerprints, this cleaner effortlessly lifts away impurities without leaving behind any residue or greasy film. What sets Chemical Guys apart is their commitment to quality and innovation. The SPI 22016 Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant not only cleans and protects but also rejuvenates surfaces, leaving them looking and feeling like new. Plus, its UV blockers shield against sun damage, preserving the integrity of your interior for years to come. Designed for convenience, this cleaner comes in an easy-to-use spray bottle, allowing for quick and precise application. And with an affordable price point, achieving professional-grade results has never been more accessible. Experience the difference with Chemical Guy's SPI 22016 Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant, the ultimate choice for car enthusiasts who demand nothing but the best for their vehicles. The number 5 position is dominated by Rainx 620138 Glass Cleaner Plus Interior Detailer. This dynamic 2-in-1 solution is a go-to for achieving crystal clear windows and a spotless interior in one easy step. Engineered with Rainx's renowned expertise, this cleaner effortlessly removes dirt, grime and fingerprints from glass surfaces while simultaneously revitalizing your car's interior. The innovative formula not only cleans but also protects, leaving behind a streak-free shine and a protective barrier against future buildup. Say goodbye to water spots and smudges and hello to enhanced visibility and a showroom-worthy finish. Designed for versatility, this cleaner is safe for use on a variety of interior surfaces, including plastic, vinyl, and leather. Its gentle yet effective formula ensures thorough cleaning without causing any damage or discoloration. Experience the convenience of a single product that delivers professional-grade results without the hefty price tag. Rainx 620138 Glass Cleaner plus Interior Detailer offers unbeatable value for money, making it the perfect choice for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Invest in Rainx 620138 Glass Cleaner plus Interior Detailer today and enjoy a cleaner, clearer, and more comfortable driving experience every time you hit the road. Next up at number 6, we have 303 Automotive Protectant, delivering unparalleled UV protection and more. Crafted with precision, this powerhouse shield blocks harmful UV rays, safeguarding your car surfaces from fading, cracking, and discoloration caused by prolonged sun exposure. The advanced formula not only provides superior UV protection but also revitalizes and restores surfaces to their original luster. Whether it's your dashboard, vinyl seats, or rubber trim, this protectant penetrates deep, leaving behind a non-greasy finish that repels dust and dirt, keeping your interior looking pristine for longer. Engineered for versatility, 303 Automotive Protectant is compatible with a wide range of materials including plastic, rubber, vinyl, and leather. Its gentle yet effective formula ensures true protection without any greasy residue or unpleasant odors. Experience the difference with 303 Automotive Protectant, the trusted choice of automotive enthusiasts and professionals worldwide. With its unbeatable effectiveness, durability, and affordability, it's the smart investment for anyone looking to preserve and enhance their vehicle's interior. Invest in 303 Automotive Protectant today and enjoy peace of mind knowing that your car is shielded against the elements, ensuring a cleaner, brighter, and more comfortable driving experience for years to come. Last but certainly not least, finally at number 7, we have a Weiman Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Wipes, fortified with UV protection for a lasting shine. Engineered with precision, these wipes offer a convenient 2-in-1 solution, effortlessly lifting dirt and grime while nourishing and revitalizing your leather with a rich conditioning formula. Designed for versatility, these wipes are perfect for use on a variety of leather surfaces, including furniture, car interiors, and accessories. The gentle yet effective formula penetrates deep into the pores, restoring suppleness and preventing drying, cracking, and fading caused by UV exposure. Experience the peace of mind that comes with UV protection, ensuring your leather maintains its luxurious appearance for years to come. Plus, the convenient wipe format makes application a breeze with no mess or hassle. With Weiman Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Wipes, you can achieve professional-grade results without the hefty price tag. Invest in the car care of your leather surfaces today and enjoy a cleaner, healthier, and more vibrant appearance that lasts. Unleash the potential of your leather with Weiman, the trusted choice for quality leather care since 1941. Thanks for tuning in to our guide on the best car interior cleaners. We hope you found the perfect solution to keep your ride looking and feeling fresh. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more expert tips and product recommendations. Keep your car pristine and stay tuned for our next video. Drive safe and happy cleaning!